Guys, Greg with Fun and Sun RV. We have an awesome brand new Salem floor plan. It's a 28 VFK. It's a V-nose front kitchen travel trailer. Check this out. This is awesome. It's going to pull like a dream. It's like an arrow. Well, let's start our walkabout around the front. Here we have, you can see the nice new profile. It's actually a V shape, which does give you a lot more aerodynamics when you're traveling down the road. We do have a power tongue jack on there, which helps to hook up and unhook in the trailer, as well as this nice new caddy here that you got an area to store your power cord when you're not hooking up or not using your travel trailer, pulling it. And the same thing with your safety chains. You got this nice little loop built onto the frame there, so you got a place to store your A-frame or your safety chains when you are not on the road. Down here will be a battery disconnect, so you can disconnect your battery if you're not using the trailer for any length of time. And this will be nice too. You have 20-pound propane cylinders, which are exchangeable, so you can actually send those to a exchange station to have them switched out. Nice magnetic catches to hold the compartment doors open for you. Nice little touch there. As we work our way around, here we have our city water hookup, as well as a black water tank flush, so you can flush out your black water tank when you're not when you dump your holding tank, so you can flush out your black water tank, as well as 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 on each corner. And mows on down the side, we do have these nice brand new picture windows. Very, very nice. It gives you a lot of natural light, as well as your side vent windows will have screens in them, so you get good cross ventilation too when you're at the campsite. Termination valves are down here, and it is a single termination, so you only got to hook the sewer hose up one time to dump your holding tanks. Nice touch. We do have the marine style plug on these now, getting away from the old telescoping plug where rodents and insects could get through. And then your cable TV and satellite hookups are right there. Also back here, we're going to have another storage area, which is underneath your bed, and that is a full pass-through storage compartment. Very, very, very nice. And it does have a light inside there too that you can light up. Your 4-inch square sewer hose bumper right there, so you have a place to store your sewer hose, as well as your spare tire and a cover, and a nice radius roof up on top here to give you good water runoff, with pour spouts, 1 on each corner, and backup camera prep too. On the awning side, we do have this other side of the pass-through storage compartment. Again, nice magnetic catch to hold the compartment door up for you. And here again, huge storage area, and like I said, it is a lit storage compartment too, so you can light it up at night when you need to get something out. Power cord, you got these nice hangers here for supporting all of your crank down jack fittings, as well as your tongue jack crank right there. Also, you're going to have outside backlit speakers. They're actually stereo speakers on the outside. We do have a nice power awning that virtually goes across the whole length of the trailer, with LED light strips underneath to give you a nice ambiance when you're at the campsite. Tandem axle with 4-wheel brakes, which is a nice feature, as well as the new solid step that folds up into the doorway, and it makes it much more stable for getting in and out of the travel trailer. And right here we do have the oversized grab handle. Makes it nicer for, again, getting in and out of the travel trailer. Big windows on this particular unit, and we do have the enclosed heated holding tanks with a removable underbelly panel, so it does make it easier for servicing if we need to get up underneath there. And right here too, last but not least, is your solar panel plug, so you actually can trickle charge your batteries on solar energy if you so desire. And that about wraps it up for the new Salem 28 VFK travel trailer front kitchen V-nose. And let's check out the inside. And here we are inside the new Salem 28 VFK V-nose front kitchen travel trailer, and check this out. It's really a nice layout because it puts your whole kitchen up into the V area, so it gives you a ton of counter space and a very, very functional floor plan. And here we have our freestanding dinette as you first walk in, and this is nice too. Right at the entry door here, we do have a nice pantry area, so you can store your shoes, jackets, whatever. with a light inside there. And here's your front kitchen. We do have all the new one-piece countertops all the way around this whole trailer. So it's like solid surface countertops. And we do have all wood full-length extension drawers. Plenty of those. We have some nice overhead cupboards, which are designed with a half shelf in here, so you can actually make double usage of your storage area into this compartment. Nice positive catch latches, as well as your microwave with a stainless steel look and a turntable, and your 3-burner range with a nice flush mount bifold burner cover right there, and it's the lit knob, so it gives you easier visibility, and the oven down below there. Also, we have a power range hood that does have light and a vent fan built in as well. In the very front of the V area, we have our sink, and again, as you can see, plenty of counter space here. Lots of nice visibility with the windows. You actually have 3 windows in this kitchen, so it gives you a lot of natural light, and plenty of overhead cupboards. Plenty of overhead cupboards. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And right next to that will be our oversized Everchill 12-volt refrigerator. The nice thing with these is you don't have to deal with the gas side of things anymore on the refrigerators, and because of that, you do get a lot more space inside this refrigerator because you haven't got those components for the gas taking up so much space. So it gives you plenty of storage, as well as in the door and refrigerator compartment. Very, very nice. And the cool thing about that, when you're traveling down the road, runs off of 12 volt. When you plug into your 110, it runs off of your converter. Very, very nice. And right here we do have a sofa, flip down sofa bed, which does have some nice storage bins built in underneath. You have 3 of them there, so it gives you nice, more accessible storage right there, as well as 2 recliner easy chairs built in. And again, all your shades, this is nice, are all black room darkening shades throughout this whole coach. And then you have the dual picture windows, as well as you'll have cross ventilation through both side windows. Nice feature there. And over here we do have the electric fireplace with shoe storage down below, so you can actually heat this trailer on gas or electric if you so desire. Sound bar. This is your power panel or your monitor panel, so it monitors all your water systems, how full your tanks are. You turn your water pump, the water heater lights right there, interior lights, as well as your exterior lights, and then your slide out and awning controls are all right there. And a nice big area if you want to put a TV up if you'd like. Side aisle, side bath. We do have another window in the hallway to give you natural light. And as you can see, that's actually a ventilated window as well. So it gives you nice ventilation. And the room darkening shades. And here's your bathroom. We have a nice vanity area with storage down below. And a nice medicine cabinet above, which is locked right now. And your deluxe foot flush Dometic toilet, as well as your shower, which does have radius to glass doors, so it gives you a lot more room in the shower area. It's easy to clean, easy to maintain, and we do have a tub surrounding the shower too, so it's actually a functional shower. And some nice shelving there for soaps, shampoos, that type of stuff, and another medicine cabinet right here. So plenty of storage in this bathroom, that's for sure. You also have a nice skylight over the shower, which will give you natural light. And a nice power roof vent right here, so when you're using the shower, you can exhaust the steam outside. As we head toward the back of this coach, we have your bedroom. You have a nice island queen bed with a nice little shiplap treatment at the head of the bed. Good size wardrobe closets on each side. And what's nice is they put a 110 volt plug inside this closet with an access from the bed, so that you can put a CPAP, alarm clock, or whatever in there. It's out of the way. Plus you have a nice nightstand with USB phone charging ports right there, and that's true on both sides. There you can see the access. There'll be a plug in there. And then over there is the USB phone charger. Another window, so you get good cross ventilation in the bedroom as well. Both these windows do open up for ventilation. Very, very nice touch. And for added storage, we have this nice closet here with a bunch of shelves for shoes, clothing, whatnot. And again, it is lit. Nice feature there. Also, under your bed, you have this nice compartment underneath here, and they do give you these neat little baskets, these little bins, so you got storage for other items, odds and ends. Plus this compartment is accessible from inside or outside, and again, more shoe storage underneath the bed. So plenty of storage in this bedroom. Very, very nice. And that about wraps it up for the inside of the new Salem 28 VFK travel trailer. If you have any questions on this unit or you'd like to view it, please contact our Ludington location at 231-845-8282, or just visit us on the web at www.fnsrv.com. Again, this is Greg Grossenbacher with Fun and Sun RV, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy camping. Bye-bye.